take one, bite, bite. First day of Vlogmas, and Santa's little elf is here to light up your holidays. But first I want to share with you a little secret, and this is that I might be Santa's worst elf. I've been working overtime and I still can't complete my work, so I am not sure if I can complete all these 24/5 days of Vlogmas. I will try my best, but still I can't promise anything. And so we can have a clear and happy start, we are going to open one of these 24 Advent house calendars. And I am going to choose... Which one? Which one do you think? This one? It is the first one that we are going to open. It also has a bow. It is looking great for start. So let's open it. So happy and excited. Let's open it. I said this one, I think. Looks so cute. It looks so cute. You definitely should make Advent calendar houses. I don't want to destroy the whole decoration here, so I will try to open it from here. The first card, make wooden house. I remember that I've bought a wooden house in early November, so yes, we are having a great start. And also my treat, Santa has been paying us with chocolate this year. The income of the company has been decreased a lot. Now we are just helping homeless children. The ones that have good parents can wait a little bit for Santa to complete first all the gifts for the homeless and the really depressed and sad children. So first task of the day is to make the wooden house. Later, I've been thinking about making some cookies and going for Christmas shopping. First task of the day. Let's do this. So this is the house that I bought. Let's hope that I won't break any of its pieces while making it. I think that I will leave it just like the image without any color on it, because I've been really into wooden texture and color this year. So I am just going to make it and then put a small light in it. If I manage to make all the Vlogmas videos, you are going to see me sitting here at this table for a long time. For a long time. Let's go ahead and open the wooden house without breaking it. Okay, here it is. We have a protective cardboard, and here are the two pieces. And you don't even have to tire yourself trying to get it out. As I can see here, they are already cut. You just need to remove them. So this should be the base, if I'm not wrong. It has some small pieces here and there that hold it into place. Nothing too strong to make you to bother you. I don't know about what are these. No idea. The bigger pieces are easier to remove. So let me remove all of them without breaking them. Come out! First one complete. This was the easiest piece to come out. The windows are a completely different story. But if you have nails, I figure out that you can just put a little pressure at the connecting point. Ah, when they come out, this one is also completed. Now we can start the construction. I believe that should go here. Absolutely right. I struggle to find where the trees are going. It is really easy. And then we have the door and the windows that we have to glue on the house. Also the trees, because they keep getting out of place. The magic ingredient is here and we are ready to glue the windows and the door on the house so we can create a steady environment. But I am going to use this cardboard just to keep the table safe. Whoa, 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 whoa. It is already starting to create a mess. I will also glue the fans because it is really unstable. Well, the wooden house is ready, so this card is no longer needed. And we are having 3 more tasks to do today. The one is the cookies for Santa and loved ones, the other is Christmas shopping, and the third one, sadly, is my overtime in video editing because I am not going to be able to complete this challenge in time. Snowy cookies is the recipe that I decided to do, but sadly I didn't buy any almonds and they are a key ingredient in this recipe. So I am going to buy those almonds and start creating miracles. I can now happily say that I have all the ingredients to get started: butter, flour, almonds, sugar, vanilla, flour, water, and salt. Want some? Naya Elf has completed successfully the second task as well. Now we also have to go for Christmas shopping and Christmas editing. And we are done for the day. Take one, bite, bite. I am back from my first Christmas exodus and I am ready to get started with the editing. But first I want to tell you that I didn't capture any voice clips because I didn't want to bother the others that were shopping near me. So let's get started. Microsoft is not in the Christmas mode yet. That's the alpaca. And this is how I will spend the rest of my day, editing. I guess that I will see you tomorrow.